Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome and thank you for always coming back. And if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you enjoy this channel and the videos on here, and I also hope you subscribe. So today I'm going to talk about my MAC lipstick collection. It's not a big one, I only have 9 MAC lipsticks, but I wanted to show you what they look like, why I like them, the kind of finishes they are, in case you might be thinking of wanting to buy MAC lipsticks. I would also show you how they look on my lips, and I'll do close-ups as usual, you know, the usual. So I will get right into the video. So the first one I have is called Twig. Now this is what it looks like. Let me just put it up, and I will, obviously I said I'll do close-up, so don't worry about it. This is what it looks like, and it's a really nice, beautiful mauve, dark brown, would I say like a brown mauve color. It's very beautiful, especially on women of color. I feel like it would suit any kinds of skin tones. It is, the kind of finish it is, it's more of a satin finish. So it's a very smooth lipstick. It would glide on your lips really easily. And as you know, or you may not know, MAC lipsticks last for a pretty good time on the lips, and they're just really creamy and nice depending on the formula you're using. So this is one I like, Twig, because it's a very good everyday lipstick. If I'm wearing like a lot of color on my eyelids, then I would use like a very nude or muted down kind of lipstick. I can't wait, it doesn't draw too much attention to you, but if you want to, you can have bright eyes, bright lips, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's very beautiful. I can wear this with or without a lip liner. It's really nice. The next one I have is called, cannot even see the name, it's called Chatterbox. And Chatterbox, this is what it looks like. So you can see that it's more of a nice peach pink shade. Like it's the kind of color I would reach for when spring arrives. Like it's bright, as cherry, as the name says. It's a chatterbox. It's just very lively. It's a lively color. I like it. It's not too out there, but it's good enough. Like if you want to infuse some color into your lipstick collection, and the finish is amplified, so it applies in a more amplified way. So the colored intensity, yeah, that's the word, it's a little bit more intense. But with this kind of color, you might think, oh, it's a pink color, but it really is so good. I really enjoy using it on, and as I said, I usually bring it out when I'm wearing, you know, when I'm feeling in a bright mood, or during springtime, you know, when people use a little bit more colors. And I really like this. I think you can wear it to work, like maybe on a Friday if you want to. But yeah, the next one I have is called Vegas Vault. And this is like, I think I got this before I got Chatterbox, because this is what it looks like. This is like a proper, I want to say orange, but no lipstick is particularly orange, but it's that kind of nice orange shade. Like it's also like spring appropriate, summer appropriate. Like it gives you that color. Like if you have like a nude face, maybe nude eyes, you know, nude neutral makeup, and you add this on, it just gives you some life. It just pops some color into the whole look, and I really like this. The finish is also called amplified. So again, it's more of an intense color. It's very easy to apply. Like it's not dry, because matte lipsticks are the ones that are a little bit dry, so you need to like make sure your lips are in the best condition. But I'll get into that when I get to a matte lipstick. So yeah, this is Vegas Vault. Very nice, and I really like it. The next one I have is called Lovelorn. Actually, this is one of my favorite pink lipsticks. Let me show you. This is actually a new one. So let me just say this, because I think some people don't know this. If you have 6 empty MAC containers that are recyclable, you can take it back to MAC and you get a free lipstick of your choice. So this is actually my second Lovelorn. So I had one before and I finished it all up, and I got this from Back to MAC. So Back to MAC is the name of the program, where if you return 6, you know, recyclable empty containers to MAC, to any MAC counter, they'll give you a lipstick of your choice. Isn't that so cool? So I just keep all my MAC containers, not the outer packaging, the actual product. So like if you return a lipstick, not the paper part of the lipstick, the actual bullets, this one. That's what, and you can do it for foundations, concealers, brow pencils, mascaras, just anything that has like, you know, like a plasticky kind of container, and glass bottles they would accept as well. So that's what I did. And to be honest, I think a little bit over half of my collection is from Back to MAC, and you can also get it at the airports, and obviously airport prices are a little bit more cheaper. But yeah, that's just a little updating that. So yeah, the color, yeah, this is Lovelorn. This is actually the new one, and I love this. This is like that pink, soft pink shade. It's not too pink and not too out there. It's just beautiful, and actually that's what I'm wearing today. It's very easy to apply. I do use a lip liner for this, but it's not really necessary if you don't want to. The finish, let's see what finish it has. It is a luster lipstick, so it means that it has that extra glossy look, but it doesn't feel glossy. You know, sometimes when you put lip gloss, it's sticky and it's just so messy. It's not like that. This is really nice. It just glides on really easily, and it's very, as you can see, I love it so much. So that's that. The next one I have is called Girl About Town. I think this is one that I'll probably buy again when it finishes. And this is what it looks like. This is a proper fuchsia pink. Like, it's a party look. Like, when you're going for a party, maybe especially if it's a Nigerian party or something like that, and you want to be out there, you like pink, you just want to be out there. This is the color. It's really beautiful. Whenever I wear it, people always compliment me, but I don't wear it often, but it's so beautiful. The finish is what's it called, amplified again. I kind of think I like amplified finishes because they're very intense. And you know, as women of color or darker skinned women, sometimes our lips are darker, or maybe the upper lip might be dark, but it's just, you know, our melanin, right? So not all lipsticks would actually apply or look good or look intense on our lips. That's why it's good to have a good brand that has a proper nice color, because sometimes, you know, some brands, when they make like lipstick, they just make it red. Like, who wants to wear red lipstick every time? You know, you just want to wear other colors, but you want them to show up on your skin. And that's why I like matte lipstick. So yeah, it's very easy to wear. I love this so much. Like, it's really beautiful, and these lipsticks last a good while. The next one I have is, now this one is called Shy Girl. So I wanted to have, like, you know, like a very plain, subtle, nude lipstick that I can wear to work, you know, on days when, because I mean, with my kind of job I have, I don't really want to be wearing, you know, bright lipstick. It just looks, I don't know. When you're talking to patients, you don't want to look, I don't know, it's just weird. Like, I just like wearing neutral makeup to work as much as I can, especially with the lips. So this is one I chose. So this is Shy Girl. As the name implies, it's like a very subtle, nude, really nice lipstick. It suits women of color. I use a lip liner with this, otherwise it would just look a bit weird. The finish is creamy sheen, so it's very easy to apply. It's very forgiving on the lips. So if you have dry lips, it would actually be good. And most of this lipstick, you don't need a lip gloss on top or anything like that. It's really, really nice. And then we're on to the matte ones. So the first matte lipstick I have is called Velvet Teddy. You guys, I am sure if you're a big MAC fan, you would have heard about Velvet Teddy. It's one of those lipsticks that everybody loved. Everybody loved it before. And then I think Kylie Jenner loved it, or said that was why her lips look plumper, which obviously I think she did surgery. But she said this is what she used, and everyone was buying this. It was actually sold out everywhere, and of course I wanted to try it. And I think I actually got one of the other lipsticks because I couldn't find Velvet Teddy. One of my good friends, UD, she actually went to America for a visit, and I told her, look, if you find this lipstick, please help me buy it. And she did, and this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. It is a matte shade, so in terms of how it will fit a woman of color, it would suit so many skin tones. If you're dark skinned, you would love it as well. You can use a lip liner, obviously, for it to look, you know, decent on your lips. The problem with this is that it's a matte lipstick, which means that your lips have to be in good shape, like no cracks, no dryness. You need to moisturize your lips properly so that it glides on very easily. If you prepare your lips properly and apply this, you would absolutely love this. It's so beautiful. It's a lovely lipstick, and I love it so much. The next one I have is Spirit, and this is actually a satin finish. So you can see it's very similar to Velvet Teddy, and I actually got this because I think this was one I got because I couldn't find Velvet Teddy. It's very, very similar. The finish is satin, I think I said that, so it's easier to apply than Velvet Teddy. Obviously your lips still need to be in good condition. I use a lip liner with this as well. I think you can get away with not using a lip liner, but it's really good. It's one of my everyday kind of neutral lipsticks that I would use. So that's that. And then the final one I have, and this one is super, super popular. Everyone, their mother, dogs, cats, everyone has this lipstick, and it is none other than Ruby Woo. This is what it looks like. It's a red lipstick. I'm not gonna lie, I don't wear red lipstick often, but when I do wear it, people say it looks good. It's very flattering on my skin tone. But it is kind of a very bold to wear red lipstick, but I like this a lot. It is matte, so if your lips are bad, like just forget it. Make sure your lips are properly scrubbed. It's not dry. You can use a lip liner with this if you want to, if you want it to look really good. It's one of those red lipsticks that suits everyone. I haven't seen anyone that it doesn't suit. It's very out there. It's lovely. Once your lips look good and you put this on, you would absolutely love this. Obviously with red lipstick, I would go like neutral eyes, neutral look completely, nothing out there, and then the lips will do the talking. So yeah, those are my MAC lipstick collections. Let me know if you've tried any, and if you have a video on it, tell me and I'll go watch it. I hope you enjoyed this, and maybe this has kind of helped to inform you of if you wanted to buy a MAC lipstick. And if you have any other colors that you think I should try, do let me know so I can, check it out in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.